Now comes the point which is the most confusing point for all the project managers who are working in an organization on this designation. People generally confuse OKR with KPIs. People say that OKR and KPIs are similar. That's not the case. OKRs are, as I said, objective key result. KPIs, on the other hand, is key performance indicators. Now, as the name, if you go by just the name, you have key here as well, key result. Here you have key performance. So you can very well understand that this is majorly based on result. This is based on performance. This is going to give you result. OKR and KPI is going to give you the performance indicator or the performance indication. Now, what exactly is OKR? So OKR here is objective and key results as we discussed. It is going to purposely look into just the result part of how you're going to get to that result. KPI is going to see while you're performing for that result, are you performing enough to get that result? These two are different things, right? OKR, and I'm repeating it again, I'm sorry. OKR is majorly into how you're going to get that result, right? This is how you have to do, this is what you have to do, this is what you should achieve to get this kind of desired result. KPI is whatever task you're doing, whatever performance you are working on to get that result is KPI. So that's the major difference between KPI and OKR. Now, OKR, what happens? You reevaluate again and again. While in KPI, you do not reevaluate again and again. It is a very straightforward procedure where you do not reevaluate again and again. You just look into some pointers, you see if the performance is up to the mark, and then you just do it. Another thing to OKR and KPI, the difference is that the OKR is going to be more focused, more aligned towards getting the desired result, and KPI is more aligned towards how to get that desired result. That's the difference. And also, when it comes to OKR, you need to have a monitoring steady state. When it comes to KPIs, you just look at them as per the performance which is being done in the organization. And that is the major difference when it comes to OKR and KPIs.